Hey guys, I went ahead and put a tune on this thing this morning because it's rain and our little Flight Fest thing got canceled. So I watched Chris's video. Chris got me in the right direction. The other day I went in, I pumped up the I's, I pumped up the D. I was overworking it. It was shaking real bad. So let me show you what I've got here. So you saw how crazy this shook over in the field. Let me show you where I'm at now. So you know, with it shaking as bad as it was in that field, there would be no need to do what I'm doing now. It still hasn't hit because of the roll. So look at that. Much better. Few more dial-ins. I think probably, I'm not sure what to mess with now. I think I'm gonna take the P, I guess, probably a touch up, notch up, and I think that'll take care of that when I punch it to yaw like that. But you gotta think on Vortex with those big propellers. So there you have it. It's getting smooth. Send me yours if you want me to do it. Ones or twos, I can get it done. Thank you for watching.